A drive-over grid, otherwise known as a dog, is a piece of mobile machinery that we use to fill an open bulkhead. The purpose of this clip is to demonstrate how to turn on a dog safely while discharging a truck. In this demonstration, we will assume the dog is set up in position. Prepare for receivals. Commence receiving grain only when all pre-start checks are complete and equipment is prepared. Turn the dog on by ensuring the main power cable is connected to the generator and the main switch is powered on. Check that the interlock cable connector is set to interlock and set the auger switch to run. Signal the driver to stop the truck before the grid and check documentation to confirm the correct grade for storage. Check the tailgate for compliance and request the truck driver undo the pressure bars before driving onto the grid. Discharge your grain from the truck. Once the discharge is complete, direct the driver to exit the grid and move forward far enough ahead of the grid for the next truck to enter to discharge. The driver will close his own tailgate. During harvest, while the grid is busy, it is acceptable to run the dog consistently between trucks. However, you should never leave a piece of machinery running while it is unattended. If you need to switch the machine or auger off and restart it, please ensure you use the start-stop button on the control panel on the side of the machine, not by using the grid access. Some of the older dogs do not have a walkway, so it is not safe to walk on the grid while there is a truck on or approaching the grid. Please watch this clip for illustration as to how dangerous it can be to enter the grid when a truck is approaching. To alleviate the potential of an incident, restrict access to grids that are not ready for use by placing cones or barricades in front of the grid to prevent unplanned access by all vehicles, including trucks. Trucks should not proceed onto the grid until signalled by the RPO operating the grid. Remember that grid operators must maintain situation awareness always and should look for traffic before entering grids and potentially placing themselves in the line of fire.